Hi guys, I've been given 3 things to look at by a friend. That one, I think we can work out what's wrong with that. Steering's broke. And we can possibly look at 3D printing a replacement. We will see. That sort of thing usually breaks again if we try 3D printing it. But we'll see what we can do. That one is Maisto. Funny really, because you'd have thought that controller would have been for that car, being as it's red. And you'd have thought that one, being a bigger controller, would be for that one, but it isn't. That's that one. This one apparently has taken to going sort of slowly or something. We're going to have to put batteries in them and find out, see what they're like. Separate videos, obviously, each one. And then this one apparently needs a battery change. So I'm going to have a look online and see how you do it. Because I expect you've got to peel this apart. But being as it's DJI, it's probably one of those ones you're not supposed to be able to get inside. So we'll have to do a bit of research on that before we try and do anything. And I think I'll put batteries in these and find out what they do. Well, that one, as I say, that one we know what we've got to do. We've got to try and design whatever that's called, a bracket. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.